The state will have to part with nearly $500 million shillings after the High Court awarded families of the 148 students who lost their lives during the 2015 Garissa University College attack, 3 million shillings each. For those who were injured and filed the case in court together with Kituo cha Sheria, the court granted each different compensation based on the nature of the injury. And as NTV's Rose Wangoi reports, the three-judge bench was of the view that there was a major blunder by the authorities in failing to act on intelligence that there was a looming attack.
A three-judge bench held that the state failed to protect students during the Garissa University attack, and as a result of its failure, students lost their lives and their constitutional rights were violated. Justices Anthony Ndungu Mugure Thande and Daniel Kemei said that while the security officers were to be commended for their efforts in rescuing hundreds of students at the university on April 2nd, 2015, the delay in deploying the Reke squad, which was the ideal in such a situation, led to more deaths. During the pre-dawn attack on the university, armed assailants held the students hostage for several hours, inflicting mental torture. 148 people, mostly students, died during the attack.
That in March 2015, intelligence warnings of an imminent attack on education institutions in Kenya had widely been disseminated, and most universities had gone on high alert. Annette Bogo stated that the police failed to discharge their duties diligently and professionally before, during, and after the attack, in accordance with their mandate.
The court also found and held that the government violated Section 241 by deploying the military to the scene without consulting the National Assembly. The state has now been ordered to pay 496 million shillings to the affected families. For those who died, the judges ordered the government to compensate each family with 3 million shillings.
Reward ambayo si nzuri sana, lakini tunashukuru kwa hiyo kidogo. But sioni ni kwa nini government ilidelay kufanya hivyo until today. Ni kitu ambacho hata sisi kama wazazi tungelifikiria that haingekuja hata kortini.
Unapoangalia wazazi wote tuliadhirika wanafanana, ni kama uniform. Tumeishiwa. Yaani uchungu ikaongeza kwa ingine, lakini kwa siku ya leo nashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu.
The court awarded each of the injured students between 1.2 million and 10 million shillings, depending on the severity of their injuries. Rachel Kikonyo, for instance, was awarded 10 million shillings. She was a first-year student of the Garissa University College at the time of the attack, pursuing a bachelor's degree in education. She was rescued at around 12 p.m., over 6 hours later since she was first shot. Kikonyo sustained spinal injury after the gunshots by the attackers, which resulted in paralysis of the lower limbs and lack of bladder control. The judges considered that the fact her back injury deteriorated as the wound could not heal.
Tumeshukuru sana for the judgment, for it has been favorable to us.
Award of damages cannot bring back life, but we are happy that this is an acknowledgement that the state failed in stopping the Garissa attack.
The judges have given us a solution. They have delivered a very, very able judgment, and we salute them in favor of the victims.
In 2019, students, families and Kituo cha Sheria sued the government, security agencies and the college for failing to take steps to stop the attack, despite having useful intelligence. Rose Wangoi, NTV.